hope you all are doing good. Welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain TechPret reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, that is, should I buy from it or not? So without wasting time, let's get started. This is the homepage of this website, and this is an online shopping store that claims to provide an assortment of various wreaths, candlesticks, headdress, scarf, and so on. You can take a look at the exclusive collection of this website. Now let's take a look at the other information as well. So let's take a look at the About Us section. So this is the About Us section. You can read the entire information related to this website. Now let's take a look at the return policy. So the return policies state that they accepted return within 30 days when the product has received. And apart from that, you can read the returns procedure, exclusions and refunds for your knowledge. Now let's take a look at the shipping policy. So standard delivery to United States addresses takes between 10 to 22 days, excluding weekends and bank holidays. And rest you can read for your knowledge. Now let's talk about the payment methods. So this company accepts payment via American Express, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal and Discover. You can take a look at the bottom of this web page. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So let's get started. So this website uses a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign, but of course this is not enough to judge a website's legitimacy. And when it comes to the domain creation date, the domain name was created only 1 month ago, guys, which is a high red alert. So be aware. And yes, when it comes to the traffic, so no data found due to low traffic volume, which is another bad sign. And when we talk about the contact info, so let's take a look at the contact info first. So this contact information is not legit, as the official address is misleading, as it is a street address where there is a residential area found. So this defines that this website may be suspicious. And yes, apart from that, no social interaction to promote products and interact with customers. So I think this is one of the biggest loopholes as well, because we are not able to find any social media icons. So guys, in the conclusion, the website appears to be scam. We end up with a decision that this is not an official website and considered to be a part of scammers. So I would like to say, stay away from such type of scam websites, because there are so many options that you can grab or that you can visit. And yes guys, you can share your experiences and thoughts regarding this website in the comments. It will definitely motivate us. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.